Hello! Where are you? Si Mami, oh. Yan, namimili na. Namimili na aking magandang asawa. How much daw, Mami? Hello. Yeah, kind of, yes. How about that? Oh. Yan na. Bumili na po ang mag-ina. Dito na tayo, papasok na tayo. Let's go. Let's go.
I love it. I love that.
Let's go. Let's go.
Let's go.
They love this one. They love this. Oh, okay, ate. Give it to me. It's mine. Like this. Don't shake that.
Where are we right now? Where are we right now?
There.
This is
The first
road.
one.
This is the road. This is the road.
Okay, let's go.
Mommy, we're here. Yes. Let's go.
Let's go.
Are the food?
Oh, mangrove.
Oh, these are the mango.
Yes.
What happened to their?
We're going there.
What happened to their?
Let's go there. It's not hot here, right, Ate? It's quite cold here. Better. Sa ganda naman itong dalawang ito. Can you see there? They said
Monkey, bird, frog.
okay. Okay, let's go. Ate?
Are we the last or something?
No. Careful. Yan na naman. Hello. Hello vlog.
Hello. Hello everyone, I'm Andata Water.
What's this? Uy. Grandpa, dugong, kayak, and bird watching tower. Oh, let's go.
Are you ready?
Let me go please. I don't want to die here.
Can you see this one? Oh. Beautiful. Oo. Oo. Like Transformer. Optimus Prime. Oh. Which? Oh. Siya. Si Mayora, oh. Lakad ng Mayora, oh. Ah, sa ganda niyan. Ah. Hello. Oh, you again? Oops. And Mayora. Yes. Go. Oh. Dami. Haba nito ah. About... What do you want again? Mommy said. Mommy said what? You gonna buy ice cream? Wow! I want ice cream too. Cat. Crab. Where? Where's the crab? Wow. Crab for somtam. Crab for somtam. Oh, let's go, girls. Hello. Thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome.
เขาก็ถ่ายรูปแฟนเขาอ่ะเนาะเขามากับแฟน
Oh, hold with mommy.
T-Rex and family walk.
Yes. Oh, wait. Ask first.
รอ T-Rex and family เดินไป
Ate, stay. Wait.
Let's uga the bridge.
Leo. Why are you angry? Come on, Ada. Come on, Pepe.
Ate, don't go ba? Yan.
Pagbabang-banga din eh. Ay talaga lang. Ay napakahaba na ng lakaring aray. Ako'y pagod na. Wala pa sa kalahati. Wow. Dugong. Yes, the dugong. And the dugong.
Hi.
Hello, Pei. Have you seen the dugong? That's we call dugong.
Is it real?
Huh? No, not anymore.
It died. Wait lang na. Daddy, can we go there?
Where? Fishery? Yes, we're going. Exit, it's going here. Starting 661 meter away.
600.
Yes, 661.
There, right there.
Tiny what?
Tiny crab.
Tiny crabs again.
There, right.
Oh.
So hot.
Okay.
Put on your hat.
Put on your hat now. Another one. She practice 60 meter and another 595 meter away. Okay, go. Oh, nice pack. Here we are. Another. Ito, ano kayo makikita natin dito? Ate, can you read this one?
Read this.
Selvo.
10 silver fishery practice.
Oh.
Let's go.
Okay, let's go. Another 400 meters. Oh. Oh, they have a medicinal mangrove too here. You can use some as a medicine. Yes. Those mangroves are medicine. Can use as a medicine.
475 meters.
fish. Yes.
Made of plastic.
Yes. Another 475 meters. There. Andito na naman tayo sa gitna ng mangrove. Oh, it's nice here. Better than there.
Yeah, better than the one here.
There, oh, the fishery.
Oh, so that's
Yes.
what is that?
Nagmodel pa si Mayora. Oo, si Mayora. Ito na yung model, oh. One more, Mayora. Yun. How many meters more? No more. Here we are. The exit. Thank you. Exit. Hi, at last.
Hi guys, we're almost on the end. Look at the sign. It says the exit is 355 meters.
Oh, still 365 meters? I thought that's when the exit already. Another 240 meters away. Oh.
Not again.
Yes, still 240. Almost. They are very tired. The pub sisters are very tired.
At the end.
Hey, we're here.
The treasure, it's the ice cream.
What treasure is that? Ice cream. Let's see if there's a treasure there. See the treasure? Show your treasure. What's that? I cannot see. Thanks. This is the first adventure, and I found the treasure. Bye bye.
Treasure.
Bye bye.